Hey guys, so I am going to show you how to get the aggressive shake effect in Capcut. So once you have your clips in the Capcut, the first thing we're going to do is add an animation. Go to Animation In and look for Swing Top Left. Set the motion to 0.3 seconds. Now go to Out Animation tab and choose Fade Out and set the motion 0.2 seconds. For next step, we are going to add ease in and ease out to the clip. For this, go to Speed Curve and increase the first and last point of the curve. You can play around with the curves depending on how long your clips are. I am going to set it around 2x for this clip. Now go to Effects tab and search for Shake. Pick this one from here and set the duration for the whole clip. Set the intensity around 12 and speed around 6. Now go to Effects tab and search for Blur. Choose Halo Blur and make it 1/3 of the length of the in animation effect. You can see the in animation length down here, the white line. Adjust the intensity to 50 and speed to 20. Now duplicate this and place it after the first one, and adjust the intensity to 30 and speed to 20. Duplicate this again and modify the intensity to 10 and speed to 5. Now go to Effects and search for Vibration Flash. Make it smaller and choose this intensity to 50 and everything else to 100. Now place the effects in the center so that the flash peak is in the middle when transition is happening. Now what we want to do is add a little bit of zoom. For that, go to Effects and search for Zoom and select Zoom Lens. Set the range and speed to 100 and set it at the end of the clip. And for the last thing, I like to add some edge glow to the video. For that, go to Effects and search for Edge Glow with around 30 intensity and place it under the effects for the whole clip. It gives a nice vibe to video. Now what you want to do is copy and paste the effects between the next clips and you will have a full video with the transition. Thanks for watching guys, and subscribe for more content.